Hey there, welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Instagram influencer marketing, where influencers share their top secrets on how they secure brand partnerships, sponsored posts, and affiliate deals. Instagram has become one of the most powerful platforms for influencers to connect with their audience and collaborate with brands. But what does it take to succeed in the competitive world of influencer marketing? Let's find out. One of the key secrets to success in influencer marketing is to stay authentic and true to yourself. Brands are looking for genuine connections with their audience, so don't be afraid to showcase your personality and share your unique story. Building a strong and engaged community is essential for attracting brand partnerships. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and encourages meaningful interactions. Brands will take notice of your engaged following and be more likely to collaborate with you. When it comes to reaching out to brands, don't be afraid to pitch yourself. Be professional, concise, and showcase the value you can bring to their campaign. Highlight your audience demographics, engagement rate, and past successful collaborations to demonstrate your credibility as an influencer. So, to sum it up, authenticity, engagement, and proactive pitching are key ingredients for success in influencer marketing. By staying true to yourself, building a loyal community, and confidently reaching out to brands, you can unlock exciting opportunities for partnerships, sponsored posts, and affiliate deals. Lastly, don't forget to nurture your relationships with brands and deliver value beyond their expectations. By consistently delivering high-quality content and driving measurable results, you'll become a trusted partner that brands will want to work with time and time again. And there you have it, folks. The top secrets to success in Instagram influencer marketing. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to becoming a successful influencer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on video marketing and social media. Until next time, happy influencing.